Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you the three prompts technique in Nano Banana. So without any further ado and let's get into the video. So guys, here I will access the Nano Banana with the Google AI Studio, but if you would like to access it with your Google Gemini AI, then it is very okay to access it. And here I will open it with my PC to get more spacious view. And the first prompt that you can try with this Nano Banana is for the perfect portrait photography. For example, I will show you the output. So for example, here I previously put this selfie photo of this man, and it also depends on the purpose that you would like to explore or do the experiment. For example, you would like to create the more professional look of this selfie photo. So you can put this prompt, turn a selfie photo of this man to be a portrait professional look. And also the look of the businessman in a blue suit and red tie. And also it will show you the location to get more specific, like the modern office background and the city view and the realistic portrait and also the professional look. So by this technique, you can also put the element such as what the clothes that this man would like to wear on. And also you can put the specific element like the suit and also the red tie that usually or typically used for the professional look. And also the location. The location can be important because it will add the nuance or the atmosphere of the professional look. And for example, you can put the modern office background and also the city view. For example, if you would like to present to your audience that okay, I might work in the skyscraper office and the New York City, something like that. And for example, you can also add the realistic portrait to get more high quality of the picture. And again, you can put the elements like the professional look, and you can simply click run into this section, and this will be the result, guys, from this picture to become this picture. And you can also put the prompt like maintaining the face of this man so that the Nano Banana can read and more understand and be trained to keep the previous face or previous detail of this man. As you can see, since we would like to change it to become more professional, from this hairstyle, it's a little bit messy, and this one to be tidy. So that's the first one you can try with this Nano Banana to create the perfect portrait photography, not only for the professional look but also in any purposes, maybe for your wedding and also maybe for the cooking show, etc. And the second one is you can use this Nano Banana to create the product photography. And for example, you can put the prompt like this and always do the detail to create the high quality picture in Nano Banana. For example, you can put the prompt a luxury wristwatch with a rose gold case and black dial like this, and also paired with a black leather strap, this one, and placed elegantly on a polished white marble like this. And also the surface and studio lighting, this is very important because the lighting also get the really affect much into the look of the product, guys. It can also create the impression for the product that you would like to present for the out into the audience. And you can add the product photography to declare that this is for the product photography, so this nano banana can read that we can do our best to get the best look of the product itself. And of course you can put the detail like this, high detail and premium aesthetic. And without giving the previous photo, you will have this picture. Isn't that really cool and very detailed? And also this is very clear. So don't worry, because I would like to put this prompt into the description box and you can try with your version. And the last thing is you can do the visualization for the architectural stuff. And for example, you can start to imagine about the house that you would like to create and promote to your audience. And you can simply take a look and also take this prompt for your example. A modern minimalist house featuring the expansive floor to ceiling and glass window like this, and situated on a hillside overlooking a valley like this, guys. As you can see that this house is heading overlooking the valley like this, and captured during the golden hour. The warm sunlight reflects on the across the glass surfaces, and photographed with the wide angle architectural lens. And the scene showcased the dramatic skies with the scattered cloud and native vegetation like this. This can be at the beauty of the picture of your, let's say, your property, and also strong emphasis to clean lines and geometric forms. And after you generate it or click run, then this is the output that you will get. So this every detail of this house can be very significant to get the beautiful view, and also you will have the realistic view, so the audience also can catch the situation and also the atmosphere of this picture, and how that can be as the very beautiful view and can also be a magnet for the audience. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this prompt into your practice. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.